Hi folks. As you know, myself and many others have been very critical of ObamaCare, the national health legislation passed by their Democrats, Senator Reid and Nancy Pelosi and President Barack Obama of the regime. And there's a myriad of reasons as to why many of us do not like this health care. But in this video, I like to just encapsulate this in one little story taking place in the Commonwealth of Massachusetts. That's right, good old Massachusetts, one of them there Democrat states. Well, Mitt Romney, who's a Republican, when he was governor of the state, I don't know how that happened, but when he was governor of the state, he, with the legislature, passed state health care requirements for the people in the state of Massachusetts that adults have to have health insurance. And they labeled it RomneyCare, much like ObamaCare. Who cares? Anyway. And it's mandated that you have to have this insurance. And if you do not have the insurance, you will be fined. Every year with your state income tax forms, you have to fill out this form, which you would denote when you had health care insurance and when you did not have health care insurance. Well, there's a gentleman in the state of Massachusetts, the Commonwealth of Massachusetts, Michael Merlina. He was fined by the state $2,000 for not having health care insurance. Now, for every year you don't have it, you get fined $2,000. Well, it would cost him $425 for health care insurance. And he's saying, well, I just cannot afford it to have this health care insurance of $425. And he enumerates his expenses. His monthly income after taxes is $3,048. His expenses for the month is $3,298. So right away he's operating at a deficit of $190 a month. And the state's saying, who cares? You're still going to pay. They do have a fund to help people pay for the insurance who cannot afford it. But they told him, you make too much money to qualify for the fund. Here's basically what's happening, and it's going to happen under ObamaCare. If you work and you're poor, there's no help for you. You better get that insurance. But if you don't work, oh, we'll pay for your insurance, no problem. Because the suckers we charge the $2,000 fine for, that goes into a fund to pay for the slothful, those who refuse to work. That's where the money goes to. So now he takes this to court because he's suing the state for fining him. Well, he recently went to court this week, and the judge is now going to decide, and the ruling should come down in about a week. But folks, what you need to understand here is whenever the government at any level inserts itself where it does not belong, it only harms you, me, the working class people in this country. Those who are very poor, no problem. Those who are very rich, no problem. You see, that's one of the reasons why I left New York City 31 years ago. Because basically to survive decently in that city, you have to be either very rich or very poor. Whereas if you're the middle class, you get strangled. Welcome to the city of New York, the Commonwealth of Massachusetts, and soon to be the United States, these here United States of America. Now, I have a number of interesting links in the description about this gentleman's story. I suggest you click on them, listen to the audio of the radio interview he had, watch the news broadcast, and read his Facebook page and other documentation in reference to this so you could see what's headed our way. Alright folks, we'll see you. God bless you. God bless America. And God bless the nation you happen to be in. See ya.